I'm excited. I just got this. It's a bigger one of these so I can protect some of the artwork. So I'm going to be opening it up right here. Yes, it's huge. And it's pretty much the big sister of this little one right here. Such satisfaction pulling that off. All right, so as you can see, it's huge, and I'm using it for these little, or these big guys. I've had these, but it's good for transporting, but as you can see, it's not very sturdy, so it doesn't quite protect your artwork, especially for the one I'm going to show you. I have they're on paper, and so some of them have creased over the years, and so I decided, now that I'm getting a little bit more serious with my art, is to put them away and also keep them organized, really. So not really a show and tell type thing, but I think this is still a fairly good tip for you, because I think it will just help protect your art. As you can see, there's a bit of creases on the side, which is, at this point, I've drawn this years ago, so I just now wanted to protect it a little bit more. There's also a film that you can put on top. It's almost like wax paper. I will have that linked in the materials that I used as well, so you can take a look at it there. Here, I'm just putting additional artwork in here and into the big one, and also into the smaller booklet that I have. This helps keep your work organized, and you can label the front so you know what's in there, so that if you need to look at it, you know, months or years later, then you know where it is. It's also a good way of protecting the artwork, because these are archival paper, and then, as I mentioned, you can use the additional layer sheet to protect your artwork even more. Thank you for watching. If you like this, please share it out. And if you want to see more art tips, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.